Hey there, welcome to YouSound Relaxation. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating, the groundbreaking work of Dr. Rein at the Quantum Biology Research Lab and how it connects to the ancient wisdom of Solfeggio frequencies. If you've ever wondered whether sound could actually heal the body and mind, you're in for a treat. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the science behind it but also know how to use these frequencies to improve your own well-being. Let's get started. First things first. What are solfeggio frequencies? These are specific sound vibrations that were rediscovered in the 1970s and are thought to have ancient roots in Gregorian chants. Each frequency is said to carry unique properties that can affect our mind and body. Frequencies like 528 Hz are often called the miracle tone for their purported ability to repair DNA, while others like 396 Hz are associated with releasing fear and guilt. But what's most exciting is that this isn't just mystical speculation anymore. Science is catching up to these ancient claims. Dr. Rein, a biophysicist and researcher at the Quantum Biology Research Lab, has spent years studying how sound and electromagnetic fields affect biological systems. Rein is best known for his pioneering research into the interaction between sound frequencies and DNA, as well as their potential to promote healing and cellular rejuvenation. One of his most famous studies involved exposing DNA samples to various frequencies, including solfeggio tones. He discovered that some frequencies could increase the integrity and repair rate of DNA. Specifically, 528 Hz showed significant effects in promoting DNA repair, a finding that's been widely cited by advocates of sound healing. Rein's work is particularly groundbreaking because it bridges the gap between traditional science and alternative healing modalities. He uses rigorous methods to demonstrate how vibrational energy, including sound, can directly impact biological systems. Let's break it down scientifically. DNA is essentially a coiled molecule that carries genetic information. It's not just a static structure, it vibrates at specific frequencies. When sound waves of a particular frequency interact with DNA, they can enhance or disrupt its natural vibrational patterns. Rein's research showed that when DNA is exposed to 528 Hz, the molecule exhibits an increase in UV light absorption, which is a marker of better structural integrity. This means the DNA becomes more stable and less prone to damage. This is why 528 Hz is often associated with DNA repair. Another fascinating aspect of his research involves the idea of coherence. Coherence refers to how well the vibrations of one system align with another. When we expose our cells or DNA to coherent frequencies like those in the solfeggio scale, it's like giving them a tune-up. It helps the body return to its natural state of balance and health. So, what does all of this mean for you? Let's talk about some of the practical, medically backed benefits of solfeggio frequencies. Stress is one of the biggest culprits behind modern health issues, from insomnia to heart disease. Listening to frequencies like 396 Hz or 528 Hz has been shown to reduce stress markers in the body. Studies have indicated that these frequencies can lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, while promoting the release of feel-good chemicals like serotonin. Dr. Rein's work suggests that sound therapy could accelerate healing at the cellular level. For example, exposing tissues to specific frequencies has been found to increase cell regeneration. This could have huge implications for everything from wound healing to recovery after illness. Frequencies like 741 Hz are believed to help detoxify the mind and body, clearing out mental clutter and promoting clarity. Anecdotal reports and preliminary studies suggest that listening to these tones can improve focus and cognitive function, which is crucial in today's fast-paced world. One of the most profound benefits of solfeggio frequencies is their impact on emotional health. Frequencies like 639 Hz are associated with harmonizing relationships and promoting feelings of love and compassion. Listening to this tone might help you feel more connected to others and yourself. Finally, higher frequencies like 963 Hz are linked to spiritual awakening and connection. Dr. Rein's research suggests that sound waves can influence brain activity, encouraging states of meditation and mindfulness. So, how can you tap into these benefits? It's simple. You don't need fancy equipment. just a pair of headphones and a quiet space. Here are some tips. Start your morning with 528 Hz to boost energy and focus. Use 396 Hz during stressful moments to calm your mind. Listen to 741 Hz while working or studying for better concentration. End your day with 963 Hz to enhance relaxation and spiritual connection. There are countless resources online, including playlists and apps, that offer high-quality recordings of solfeggio frequencies. The exciting part is that research into sound healing is just getting started. Scientists like Dr. Rein are paving the way for a deeper understanding of how frequencies can influence not just the body, but the mind and spirit as well. Imagine a future where sound therapy becomes a standard part of healthcare, used alongside traditional medicine to promote healing and well-being. So there you have it, the science and potential of solfeggio frequencies, brought to life by the brilliant work of Dr. Glenn Rein and others. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or explore deeper spiritual connections, these frequencies offer a unique and powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouSound Relaxation. And let us know in the comments, which frequency resonates most with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.